This is the first look of DJI Osmo 360 pack. Let's get it started without any further delay.
Meet Osmo 360.
Hello friends, welcome to GearLite Studio. Today we are going to unbox DJI Osmo 360 combo pack. So in this box we have a DJI Osmo camera, a nice rubber pouch, a rubber lens protector, and a battery and a cable, USB-C cable, and some instructions by DJI. This is the lens cover. And a USB cable, USB-C cable. And this is the lens cover. So camera is wrapped up in the pouch itself. So let's open it. Let's see the first look of the camera. This is the protective pouch that you get. It has one pocket in it and microfiber cloths for cleaning the lens. And this is the protective pouch with a nice zipper on it. It says at the front, Osmo. So thank you for watching. We will do another video with the technical specs and how the camera works. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, and thank you. Bye.